am Pragati Parasar. I am from Hooghly Mohsin College and I am legal intern of LexClick company. My topic is who can file for patent. Right. So before going to the topic, it is necessary to know what is patent. So patent is an exclusive right which is given to a person who has invented the new idea, new knowledge, and progress and make the progress of existing product. Is termed as a real inventor. And for this, he should file a application for patentable right, and he can also send their license to another person. He can also sell their property to another person, so at that time his patentable right is exploited. So it is a type of industrial property which is known as now intellectual property. It is within use the territory and cannot be applied to another territory if the same patentable law is not followed on that territory. So it is all about the patent. So who can file a patent? Any person can file a patent who is a legal owner or real owner of that technology, that product. After that, an assignee and a legal representative of either can file a product. Who is a real owner? Who has the real owner is a person who has filed firstly for the legal right and patentable right. The prior inventor of subsequent idea and knowledge cannot be treated as first inventor. A person who give the idea knowledge in practical form and practical knowledge and practical shape to the product will not be termed as a real inventor. So an organization and company and any other industrial industries who cannot be treated as a first inventor, they can file for assignee position. They can use the product and technology of the inventor. So how can you file the for patentable right? It can be done in written form. Oral form cannot be valid. At the time of application and filing, the real owner, real inventor should be part in it. If he is not part, he should not take part. If he has not take part in the filing application, then the application should not be valid. So if a real inventor has died and so his legal representative can take an action and file an application for a patentable right. If there is a contractual relationship between at a time of employer and employee, if there is a contractual relationship between employer and employee, then any work which has done by the employee is totally depends on the employer. But if there is absent the contractual relationship, the work which is done by employee by using the employer property, place, time, expense, not is totally depends on the employer, not the employer. So it is all about who can file the patent. So what is the procedure for filing the patent? First, the application for a patent is a prescribed form, prescribed fee, and it should be filed in the patent office. The application should be accompanied by the provisional or complete specification. If we file a provisional specification, then only give the proper details about the technology and invention, not a claim. But within 12 months after filing, it is necessary to file the complete specification. If you not file the complete specification, then your application will be treated as abandoned. Complete specification contain the proper details of invention, proper details of inventor, proper details of claim. So it is called the complete specification. At the time of filing, it is necessary to give the complete specification. Okay, so an application for patent will not be open to the public for a period of 18 months from the date of filing. From the date of filing or date of priority, which is later. Thereafter, application will be published. After publication of application, within prescribed period of time, the request for examination of application should be made. Examiner has a duty to examine the application properly, that type of invention has been done previously, or any specification which is mentioned in the application form is same as the previous invention, or any claim which is mentioned in the application form is already done previously. The examiner has a duty is properly examine the application. After examining the application, patent office communicate to the applicant the objection, if any grant if any objection has grant if any objection arises, then proper hearing should be done. After hearing, if it is all okay, then all okay, then patent to be granted to the person. Otherwise, hearing process has to be done, and if opposition party produces the evidence related with the invention, and if opposition party is right, then it can be cancelled. And if opposition party has no any objection, and no any evidence is matched, and no any evidence is correct, then application patentable right granted to a person.